And the race is on. Queen Banana jumps quick out of the gate, running by the rail. One Vision, and moving up is now showing together by Go Go Elgin and Tiger Rafi, while Mr. Kawaiso is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Queen Banana leading the pack by some 2 lengths. And on the outside now showing running by the rail is One Vision. Go Go Elgin is racing import by some 2 lengths. Running by the rail is Tiger Rafi. And a long way back to Mr. Kawaiso. Racing down the backstretch is now One Vision. From the outside, running by the rail once again, Queen Banana. Now showing is running in third, Tiger Rafi moving up in fourth, and Go Go Elgin. And nearing the far turn, Queen Banana by only a length. One Vision pressing up from the outside, now showing Tiger Rafi is running by the rail, and Go Go Elgin. Rounding the far turn, it's now One Vision from the outside, running by the rail, Queen Banana. Go Go Elgin rushing up on the outside, Tiger Rafi, and now showing as the race the final corner. It's the One Vision racing away now by some 2 lengths. Queen Banana by the rail, Go Go Elgin on the outside, and Tiger Rafi. And nearing the fell line, it's a prancing safely home for entry number 1. One Vision, Go Go Elgin, Tiger Rafi, Queen Banana.